My name is Jane Mabe. I'm from Kassie Cherrie Denim Worx. I work from Emalahleni in Witbank in Mpumalanga. We manufacture the hats. We also do the bags, the earrings. I started my business in 2020. What really motivated me is that I was actually bored at home, and we had lots of jeans that was just sitting around, and I just did my creative work. I started with the earrings. From there we sold a few, and then we moved to making the bags and other stuff. Our products are actually unique. Most of them are named after the people's name from Kassie. Like our hat, it's called after Mzwaki, of which it's a Kassie girl. We also have like the earrings that we name from like Abompumi, Abombali, like different names. And the bags also, we name them after our male, like Abo Tabo and Abo Vuyo. The people can contact us. My number is 083 331 3575. Alternatively, they can contact 079 592 5926. And we also on Instagram, that is Kassie Cherrie Denim Worx. We also on Twitter on Kassie Cherrie. Facebook, it's Kassie Cherrie. They can also WhatsApp us. Hi, my name is Jane Mabe. I'm a township entrepreneur.